My name is George Poteet, Memphis, Tennessee. We're at the Detroit Autorama. I'm a hot rodder at heart, speed racer at heart. It's my hobby. There's no money involved other than an outgo of money, but I do it for a hobby. We do show cars like you see sitting around here. We do driving hot rod, street rod, muscle cars, but the Bonneville racing has been a passion for the last 25 years. So the first car I drove at Bonneville, I went 118 miles an hour with it. And we've gradually over the years, about every 5 years, I've moved up about 50 to 75 miles an hour. And the car we're standing in front of, I own and drive. It's the fastest car running right now for the past 10 years on the Bonneville Salt Flats. We've made passes of 450, 460 miles an hour with it. And this particular car is 2 years old. It's at 2 records already over 400, and I drive it and own it. We run a small block Chevrolet engine in it. This particular engine in here is 368 cubic inch. The biggest record this engine's got is 437 miles an hour. It's twin turbo, 88 millimeter precision turbos, Liberty 7-speed transmission, built by Kenny Duttweiler and Duttweiler Performance. We run around 40 to 50 pound of boost in it. We run it one time with 56 pounds of boost in it for 13 seconds, and it stayed together. But it's basically a 350 Chevy engine. This is the cockpit. It's air shifted, so the steering wheel has all the controls on it. One button is for the shift the transmission, one is to shut the engine off, one is the radio for communication with the crew when we're on the course or on the shutdown course. You have fire bottles, manual fire bottle pulls, one for the driver. You have a fire system for the engine compartment. Fuel shut off, all the safety features in it that SCTA requires to run it. 7-point seat belt system, fuel shut off, electrical shut off in case of an emergency. Everything can be shut off from inside here or outside the car for safety reasons. We've been running this style of car for about 10 years now. We've been able to set records over 400 in the A, B, C, D class out there. We're running an E class this year with a cubic inches, 260 cubic inch limit on the engine size. So we hope to set that record over 400. It's a 350 record we're running to right now. But every year we choose the class that we want to run in, and it's all based on the cubic inches of the motor. But it's all we've ever run is a small block, and you just change the crank and the piston to change the cubic inches in it. But this year our goal is to be the fastest car at Speed Week again, which we've been since 2009. We'll have to run a 425 to 450 to do that probably this year. We got a couple other cars running out there that's going to run pretty fast this year. And we think we have an A engine to put in this car to run for the Hot Rod Trophy out there on maybe the 3rd or 4th day of the meet. We think we can go around 475. Kind of depends on the driver.